What is Amish furniture? The concept of Amish furniture was started in about 1970. It was a collective effort by a lot of Amish craftsmen. The goal was to create a reputation that actually works for everyone, that has been refined. It is handmade furniture that is made to last. It's time-proven methods, it's solid wood, its quality always comes first. Not cost, not speed, but that the end result be a unique piece of furniture. All of the hardwoods that is used in Amish furniture, this comes from responsibly harvested hardwoods, and it has to be milled properly, it has to be harvested properly, kiln dried to the perfect temperature and moisture. And every piece of wood is a piece of wood on a shelf originally. And the craftsman, whether he's cutting parts, whether he's cutting face frames, they pull the boards out, they look at the boards, you'll flip it over 2 or 3 times. Again, there's a quality check. Does this fit where this board is going? Is this going to give me a good end result? We use mortise and tenon construction, we use dovetails for the door boxes, all that work is done. And then, it's sanded to precision, and then the stains that we use, they are hand wiped, so that is truly an art. It takes a lot of training. Every piece that we finish within your order is all finished together at the same time. Then it is sealed, sanded again, and top coated. We use conversion varnishes, final checks, hardware, door boxes, everything put together, and it's loaded onto our trucks. And we build these on a per order basis. So each order is very specific, it's very personal. I also worked for years in the shops, which gave me the expertise I need to know how things need to be built. When you order your furniture, you're actually talking to a real person here. This is not an AI, this is not a recording service. We're here for questions, we do customizations. There's a lot of collective work and effort that everyone takes pride in to end up with a piece of furniture that is top notch.